Let's quickly learn the way that you can contact the support team of Podimo. If you're having any kinds of issues with the Podimo app and you're trying to contact the support team or the place where you can contact the team, in today's video, let me show you how it's done. Open up your Podimo app and then tap on the profile icon on the top right. Head over to settings. Now, once you're inside of the settings page, you can just scroll down and under stay in touch, you'll see the option called help and FAQ. You can just tap on this and you'll be directed to a web browser where the support page of Podimo will open up. Now, to start off, you can scroll through and find quick answers to your problem if they are listed in one of these sections. Now, if you're trying to contact and chat with the team, what you can do is scroll down and tap on submit a request. You'll need to choose if you are a user or a podcaster, and then a form will open up. Here you'll need to fill in your email address, the question that you have, the main topic of the question, your subscription type. You need to select your subscription type as well. And then lastly, you need to add in the exact problem that you're facing. After you fill in all of this information and the exact details that you're trying to contact the Podimo support team, you can hit that submit button. Lastly, what you can also do is you'll be able to see a chatbot on the bottom right of the screen. You can just tap on the chatbot and you can straight away find easy answers to any problems that you're facing. Just type in your name, hit send, and then type in your questions. So by doing these couple of steps, you'll be able to easily contact the Podimo support. If this video helped you out, hit that like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.